This is one of the new hymns for home and church. 1201. Hail the day that sees him rise.
Hail the day that sees him rise. Alleluia. To his throne beyond the skies. Alleluia. Christ the Lamb for sinners given. Alleluia. Enters now the highest heaven. Alleluia. There for him high triumph waits. Alleluia. Lift your heads, eternal gates. Alleluia. He has conquered death and sin. Alleluia. Take the King of glory in. Alleluia. See, he lifts his hands above. Alleluia. See, he shows the Prince of Love. Alleluia. Hark, his gracious gifts bestow. Alleluia. Blessings on his church below. Alleluia. Lord, beyond our mortal sight. Alleluia. Raise our hearts to reach thy height. Alleluia. There thy face unclouded see. Alleluia. Find our heaven of heavens in thee. Alleluia.